Hello everyone, we are from University of Brawijaya, Indonesia. Here I will present my member team. Our team consists of Riska, Amalia, Khodijah as a leader, Agustin, Wilujeng, and Ilmiana, Nurur, Rohmah. And now we are going to present our innovation that's called Geo. Floods are one of the 5 major natural disasters that take many lives and have the highest frequency of occurrence. One of the latest innovations for solution for flood-prone areas in areas with few water absorption areas is the promising geoporous asphalt. This is where we introduce Geo. Geoporous asphalt can also be referred to as a geopolymer and geosynthetic concrete product that has a polymerization reaction binding of inorganic aluminosilicate compound. The main raw material for making polymers is obtained as a result of the reaction of alkaline medium with fly ash. The use of fly ash can be obtained from the waste of the steam power plant. Arsenic content can endanger human health in the long term because of the carcinogenic content that can be emitted through the gas. The arsenic content can be reduced by the bioremediation approach of heavy metal accumulating microbes. Several types of arsenic accumulating microbes can be found in rice husks. This is because rice husks are agricultural waste and rich in organic matter, so they can increase microbial proliferation. The rice husk in the form of ash can be the latest innovation for geopolymer raw materials beside fly ash because it contains active silica or CO2 up to 96%. Based on this, the innovation of microbial formulation from rice husk as fly ash arsenic accumulator for geopolymer raw material can be seen in the effectiveness of using rice husk in the form of ash as geopolymer additive. And now I will explain the method. The first step is collection of genotype of potential microbes. This technique is carried out by review from scientific journals. All relevant references will be taken data and input to the table. The second step is molecular docking of arsenic trioxide or As2O3 as a ligand with several genes from potential microbe as proteins. This step, carried out by Autodocvina software on the PRX, protein with the highest binding affinity can be reviewed on ligand binding. The highest binding affinity from potential microbes can be used to potential tests. The bacterial species isolated from rice husk on nutrient agar media after that can continue to total plate count procedure. After potential test, it can be continued to effectiveness test with preparation of nutrient broth media with arsenic trioxide enrichment. This modified medium was added by potential bacterial consortium. After that, it can be incubated for 24 hours. The viability result can be obtained by UV spectrophotometry test. The final test step was arsenic content from the prototype. Before that, the prototype was made by solution of fly ash, the rice husk ash, with addition of potential bacterial consortium. The test was using rapid arsenic test kit. Its result can be analyzed for differences. Bacteria isolated from rice husk with fly ash treatment show that the amount of colony forming units or CFU in the nutrients agar on the dilutions 10 to the power of -4 was 61% of the total CFU in the nutrients agar without fly ash on the same dilution. The result of the isolates also show that the total CFU in the nutrients agar without the addition of fly ash on dilutions 10 to the power of -5 was 71% of the total CFU in the nutrients agar without fly ash on the same dilution. This indicated that bacterial isolates had resistance to fly ash. The result of the arsenic content test of the geopolymer showed that the microbial formulation was able to reduce arsenic in fly ash as the main raw material for the prototype with color differences as a parameter. The addition of microbial formula can reduce the arsenic content up to 80% in fly ash. This shows that the use of fly ash as a raw material for geopolymers with a bacterial formulation can be a geopolymer that is harmless to health and environmentally friendly. This slide shows that geoporous asphalt main material or fly ash is cheaper than conventional asphalt. That's all from us. Thank you for the attention.